Hi YouTube, this is Latrece, doing life with Latrece. This is my daughter Kaale. Say hi, Kaale.
Hi.
We're on our way to Walmart. My vacuum broke, so I was like, well, let me do my first shop with me going to Walmart. Hey, you guys, we are at Walmart. So we are about to go inside of Walmart. Come along with us to shop with me. That's my favorite pastime. I love shopping. And then after Walmart, then we're gonna go to maybe Marshall's. Marshall's is across the street from Walmart, and maybe we'll go to Marshall's. Kaale getting out the car. Let's go. We at Walmart. Let's go in. Oh, look, Kaale, they got them pies. They got them pies. You want a pie?
No.
No? That's a good girl. Don't need no pie. Maybe I'll look for you a swimsuit in here or something. Oh, those tops are cute. Walmart always has some really, really cute little knickknacks just to wear, in the streets when you're not doing much or nothing, I got this mask on and it's making me get the sniffles. Oh, this passing. Hearts. Whose birthday is it? Hi, happy birthday. All right. Oh, look at this, Kaale. Oh, we should get Bobo one. Get it for the Bozy.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. All right, let's go find a vacuum cleaner. Really? Vacuum cleaners are. Oh, it's somewhere down, somewhere. Alright, so let's cross over. Fabric section. Haven't been shopping at Walmart for a minute. Here are curtain rods. And for a vacuum cleaner. Storage bin. Let's see. Okay, I'm lost it. That constantly turns stuff. Hello. Vacuum cleaner. Okay, now I gotta find one that is gonna suit our needs. Because I do hair in the house and I go through 2 vacuum cleaners a year because it's so hard for me to get up all of that hair. I sweep it up, but it still ends up into my vacuum cleaner. Now I don't know which one to get. Get the Bissell, which is $56, or get the Hoover, which is $116. Which one should we get?
I think the blue one is...
I don't want no blue vacuum cleaner.
Yes, I got it.
This is the same one we had before that, but it look a little newer. Look a little better than the one we had. But that's the family. I really don't want to spend that much money on a vacuum cleaner because I buy like 2 a year before they go out. Those are cheap ones, cheap ones never last long. Well, let's see. Yeah. Maybe I should get the Hoover is $116. And then they got another Hoover for $129. But I'm gonna end up being cheap. So like to save a couple of dollars. I think this is the one we had before, but it broke down on us. Okay, now I'm gonna make my final decision on which one I need to have. I think it's this one. That's the Bissell. Where's the Bissell at? This is red. This is the same one that we had at home. I don't know if I want this one because I don't think it was strong enough. Or should we get this, the blue one? I think we're gonna get the blue one if they got it. Let's see. Let's see if they got it. Let's see. No, that's not the one. That's not the one. Let's see. I do not see it. I don't want no expensive vacuum cleaner that's going to tear up in 2 days. I guess we'll get this one. Any, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, grab this one. And put this in there. Clear, it's not that heavy. Pick it up. I'm holding the camera.
It's not a baby.
Lift it up.
Yes, I'm trying.
Hold the camera. Hold the camera. I'll lift it up.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Why
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, we got a vacuum cleaner. This is really not the one I want.
Okay.
Because they got two over here. They got a purple one too. I don't know. I'm kind of confused. Okay, I'll just get that one. Call it a day. So we got a vacuum cleaner, so we're gonna head up out of here. Wait a minute, here go another one. Oh, that's 129. We don't want the 129. That's expensive. Okay, let's go down here to the beauty section. Oh, that's 119. Oh. It look little. It look flimsy though. Yeah, that looks flimsy. I don't like that one. Okay, let's go to the beauty section and see what they got. I know we gotta leave our baskets on the outside. Yeah. Hi. We have to leave our baskets on the outside, right? Okay. Where's the scrubs at? You know how... Well, you know what? I need to get some more essence up. So my bald. Oh, this one got melatonin in it. How much is it? No, that's the hemp seed one. I bet you they're probably all the same price. I-14? Okay, thank you so much, sweetheart. Are they in like a little... Yes. Aisle 14. Thank you. Thank you so much, sweetheart. See, I haven't been in here a long time. Normally, I shop at Target. I don't shop at Walmart that much. But when I need a vacuum cleaner, this is where I come. Because it is just a hair cheaper than buying one at... Okay. She's told me aisle 14. 14. Let's see.
I need more pads.
Step back. Step back. Let them go by. Thank you. No, you get those. You need these. These are the ones you get. Got your pads? Okay, mommy might need to get her some too. Let me get me some too while I'm here. Because I know I'm running out of them too. Let's see what they have my size in here. So I wear the big old jumbo. I don't see mine in here. Well, maybe I go to, oh, there they go. Ooh, $8. Okay. Got it. All right. Okay, let's find that scrub that we were coming here to look for. Okay, she said aisle 14. I don't see it. Aisle 14. I don't see it. That's weird. Okay. It's aisle 14. I do not see it. I did not see that. Yeah, it's at 14, but it's not down 14. I don't see that. I might just go on Walmart.com and look it up and get it online or have them deliver it to me. Because I don't see it. Oh, you need school supplies. I forgot about school. I totally forgot about school. That's composition books. Yeah, get you one. You like the purple? Get the purple. Put it in a basket. Put it in a cart. Put it in a cart. Now let's go down here. We need... Let's see. Let's see. I'm not gonna get you no folder. Oh, look at that. That's a pencil holders. Cute, huh? But that is like $12.84. We are not getting that. It is cute though. Yeah, I don't care if we got money or not. You're not getting that. I ain't paying no $12 for that. Get you a pencil thing though. Look at these over here. These are $5. Look at that one. That one got a camera. Look at that one. Look at this one. Nah, you always getting the most expensive thing. You want that one? Yeah. It's yours. Let's get it. It's cute. All right, let's go find you some. Let's see. We'll get some notebook paper. What was 25 cents? I guess all of this stuff, huh? Okay. Hopefully it's 25 cents. Okay. I need one too. Sometimes I like to write my thoughts out. That's gonna thick, so you know that's gonna cost. Get 2 of those. Oh yeah, those are 50 cents. Get 2 more of those. Well, get a yellow one. Get a yellow one. Put it in the cart. And why is that mask not over your nose? Thank you very much. Okay, come on, let's get out of here. Oh, for $1. Oh, cookies. I don't want no more cookies. You know how sometimes you buy stuff and you eat it because you're hungry? And then you eat it and you're like, oh, I really don't want that. I really don't want no cookies. Okay, who's getting 1,000 pounds of sugar? Lord have mercy. They must be making some hell of a cakes. My basket won't turn. Okay. All right, let's get up out of here. Okay, let's put that up, Kim. How you doing, sweetheart? Put that up there. I know that's kind of personal. Yeah, hi. 2. You could help me. Thank you very much, Kaale. Okay. I'm gonna see if she can just do it with the. And I got the vacuum cleaner also. Okay, we ready. We don't need no candy or nothing, huh?
Do you want to see your professional plan for $10?
Say that again? Oh no, that's okay. I go through 2 vacuum cleaners a year. We got everything we need? Yes. And why is that mask not on your face?
It keeps falling off.
You're gonna have to adjust it.
You're looking at $126, 42 cents.
Okay, thanks. Oop, hey, I forgot to put mine. Thank you, sweetheart. You have a great rest of the day. Yes, it is hot. It is hot. All right, let's get out of here. Heading out of Walmart. And we're gonna go to Marshall's. That's gonna be our next stop. I did want to go to Target, but I don't know about all of that hair. So, you know. Oh, they done took the McDonald's out of here. See how long it's been since I've been in here? The McDonald's gone. You know what? We didn't even get no food. We didn't even go to the food section. That's okay. Goodbye.
Thank you.
They don't do that no more. Okay, you guys. I'm going to start back when I get to Marshall's. What the car gonna do to me when cleaner I had a while ago? Because I go through 2 a year. So, okay, we're gonna put the vacuum cleaner in the back of the car because I got some stuff in the trunk. Okay, you guys, see you at Marshall's.